up, everyone? It's your girl Pretty%. That's spelled P-R-E-T-T-Y with a percent sign. I'm in the kitchen. I'm making some stuffed bell peppers with my own twist. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be up to date whenever I drop a new video. The first thing that I'm doing is I'm grounding up the ground turkey. I'm using ground turkey instead of ground beef. Make it a little bit more healthier. So I'm just gonna cook this first. It's 2 pounds. That's what I use. I like to make a lot of it. Can't just do a little bit. And after you make this, you could put different things in it. And what I'm gonna do is show you what all I'm using. I have my bell peppers over here that I'm gonna use. Big ones too, right? These are some big, juicy, beautiful, colorful bell peppers. I'm gonna cut these up so that we can put everything in it. I have some onions cut up that I will be using. Seasonings that I'm gonna use, I got to put this badia in there. It's so tasty. I'll put some minced garlic. I'm gonna put some ragu. Other seasonings are pepper, onion powder, chives instead of parsley. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up everything and see what happens. Before I start cutting these onions up real good, I did wash my hands. I like to use this little cutter that I have. It chops up everything for you. I have the onions in there now. I like to get it really down. Got that going good. All right. Before I put the seasonings in, it's best to go ahead and cut your bell peppers. Get the onion out the way. I'm gonna cut the top part off. We don't want the green in there, right? Get the seeds all out of here. I'm just putting this to a side. I am not gonna throw that away. That is food. You cannot throw that away. Get the seeds out real good. So I've already cut out all the bell peppers, and this is how it'll look. Doesn't have to be perfect, but hey, this is what we're gonna use when we put our ingredients in. Use it as a base. Looks like a little burrito bowl. Once we finish, I'll show you why I have these right here too. I'm gonna show you why I kept these bell pepper ends. Cutting them up, get them real small. It's because I'm gonna blend it and put it back in the bell pepper itself. It's gonna be real tasty. And it's real healthy to do this. Just cut it up small as you can, like this. I just love the different colors, and they all taste different. The orange one is kind of like a little sweet taste. The yellow one, to me, is sweet also. The red one is supposed to be like hot pepper, but it's also sweet. So I got 3 sweet bell peppers inside of a bell pepper. So I've already made sure I cooked my ground turkey first, and then I cut up some bell peppers, all the different colors, and onions and minced garlic. I'm about to go ahead and put these beautiful peppers in here with the ground turkey. Gonna put it together like this. It's a very good dish that I'm making. And so it won't go all the way to the skillet. I had to put butter in it. You don't want to burn it. Alright, something to dress it up. We're going to put some balsamic vinaigrette in it. I like to do a teaspoon of everything. This is a teaspoon. Put how much you want to put in it. Okay. And now I'm going to put all the other seasonings that I have. This is how it looks when you got all the ingredients added into the ground turkey. Looks really delicious. I want to eat it now, but nope, can't do that. Now I have some quinoa that I'm going to put in there instead of rice. This is healthy also. So all I do is just pour it in like that. gonna mix it together. I'm gonna make sure I mix it all together while I'm pouring that in there. Quinoa looks just like grits. Doesn't taste like it because I got all these different seasonings in it. All right, we'll stir this up for a little bit and then we're gonna stuff our bell peppers. Here comes the fun part. We're gonna stuff the bell peppers with the ingredients that I made. I've already greased the pan with avocado olive oil. Here goes nothing. I'm just so happy that they're so pretty. Go ahead and stuff it up. I better use a better spoon. Look at this, and it's okay. Go ahead and just stuff it in just like this. Gosh, this is so pretty. And I bet it tastes really good. Now I have the oven already preheated to 350. We're gonna put these in the oven for about 15 to 25 minutes, depending on your preference. If you want it to be crunchy or real smooth, soft. Now I'm not finished yet after I do this. You'll see what my own twist is gonna be after I stuff these bell peppers. I got all the bell pepper stuff. Now I'm gonna put the finished touch on it, which is some shredded cheese. This is gonna be delicious. Just put a little bit on top. You don't wanna overdo it because when it melts, it's gonna go everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all the shredded cheese that I have. It's cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese mixed together. All right, about to go ahead and put it in the oven. Can't wait to taste this food, y'all.
Let me just go in the bush and weep. Let me just go in the bush and weep.
We're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven, about 15 to 25 minutes. I pulled out my stuffed bell peppers out of the oven. Again, you wanna make sure you preheat it to 350 and then you stuff it all in there, put it in there for about 15 to 25 minutes. I actually did it for 20 minutes. They look all good and smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with, put a little bit more cheese on it because we have to melt it on there and then we'll put some more cheese. It's gonna melt anyway because it's still hot. Now I'm gonna top it off with some guacamole. Then I have to let it cool down. You don't want to just bite it like that. Just like this, and it's gonna be so pretty. Now isn't that something? Your food looking all pretty. It's too pretty to eat. That's a lie. You probably want to eat it right off the screen looking at this. Look at there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let this cool down about 5 to 10 minutes. And we're gonna taste it. You don't have to take my word for it. I have an official taste tester. Tell them what you think about my stuffed ground turkey bell pepper.
This is good, pretty percent.
I really like how these stuffed bell peppers came out, and they're delicious too. Make sure when you're making your stuffed bell peppers, you clean it out really good, get the seeds out. Go ahead and turn your oven on to 350. You're gonna put it in there for 15 to 25 minutes. And then you use your seasonings that you're gonna use. I use ground turkey, you can use ground beef. I use quinoa, you can use rice. But you put it all together and then there you go. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know how I did. Let me know what you're gonna put in your stuffed bell peppers. And also, like and share my video. I'll see you next time.
Drink from my sunshine, sip